In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find slope in Google Sheets. If you've got two sets of related data, like time and distance, or advertising spend and sales, the slope tells you the rate of change between them. In Google Sheets, you can calculate it quickly with a built-in function, and I'll walk you through it from opening Sheets to getting the result. Start by heading to the Google homepage in your browser. At the top right, click the small grid icon to open the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once Sheets opens, go ahead and open the spreadsheet that contains your data. In your sheet, decide where you want the slope to appear and click an empty cell. This keeps your results separate from your raw data and makes it easy to reference later. Now, begin the formula by typing equals, then the word slope, followed by an opening parenthesis. You should see a function hint appear, which is helpful for confirming you've typed it correctly. Next, highlight your first data range. In the slope function, the first range should be your known y values, the dependent data that changes in response to x. For example, if column B contains sales and column A contains months, you would select the sales numbers in column B first. After that selection, type a comma. Now highlight your second data range, which should be your known x values, the independent variable. Using the same example, that would be the months in column A. Make sure the two ranges line up row by row and have exactly the same number of cells. Type a closing parenthesis to finish the formula, then press Enter. Sheets will immediately calculate the slope. A positive slope means your y values increase as x increases. A negative slope means they decrease. The magnitude tells you how many units of y change for each 1 unit of x. If something doesn't look right, double-check a few things without changing the process. Make sure you didn't swap the order of the ranges. Y values must come first. Confirm both ranges are the same length, have no blank rows in the middle, and contain only numbers. If you see an error like net NA, the ranges may be mismatched. If you get #div0, it could mean the x values don't vary. That's all there is to it. By entering the slope function, selecting your y values, adding a comma, selecting your x values, closing the parenthesis, and pressing Enter, you've found the slope in Google Sheets.